Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install QuillBot in your Google Doc file and access wherever you want. It's very simple to add QuillBot in your Google Doc file. How to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first up, I enter my email address. You just simply click here in the 9 dot. Doc options are displayed here and number of doc file I created already, but I just simply select this one IMP point. So now I want add here QuillBot. So here several tab is there: file, edit, view, insert, format. You just simply click here add-on, get add-on, and here Google Workspace Marketplace is displayed here and number of applications are available here. You can connect which application you want, but as a search tab you just simply type here capital Q and QuillBot paraphrasing and summarization tool is displayed here. You just simply click here and the tool are displayed. Again click once and then such kind of tab is displayed here, some related information. You just simply install here, continue. Which email address you want connect this QuillBot? I select my personal email address, allow, and now is install. So installation is done, has been installed. I just simply close and now I refresh once again this document. And now how to activate QuillBot in this particular doc file? Again click here and add on. So here first of all this option is not available, but I install, so option is available here. Launch QuillBot, it's working, and now my QuillBot is launched here. Again I log in with my email address here. So now QuillBot is active on Google Doc format. So what exactly work? You just select the text, so those text automatically display here. 700 character absolutely free, so I always use 700 characters and change as a paraphrasing. So I just simply change here as a paraphrasing. And now the sentence is a standardization form, absolutely correct sentence as English. Insert this one, so automatically this sentence are changed using these tips and tricks: how to add, how to install, how to log in, and how to use. It's quite simple. You can do same process as Google Doc and enjoy for the paraphrasing and summarization. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.